Let's do it. So after this video, you'll be a master of sake. Right?
Master of reading.
Yes, master of reading. When you grab a bottle of sake, lots of information on the bottle. So today we are gonna explain which one is what.
Right.
All right.
Yeah, exciting.
Let's do it. So after this video, you'll be a master of sake.
Yeah,
Right?
master of reading.
Yes, master of reading. Okay, let's do it. So here, this is really important.
Yeah. Can you read that?
純米大吟醸. Okay, so
Can you
what does it mean?
repeat that?
純米大吟醸.
Yeah.
はい。So what's that mean?
June is pure. Mai is rice. Dai is giant, big.
And 吟醸
Is ginjo is carefully brewed.
brewed sake. Okay. We made a video of this
Yeah, eight
8
different
different kind of like a sake.
special designated
Yeah.
sake. In
This is one of that, right?
Yeah.
So if you're interested in that, please
We can-
check the videos. Okay. And also, like on the bottom that, oh yeah, I love this one.
something you like.
Yes.
How to-
生原酒. 生原酒. What's that mean?
Yeah. Nama is unpasteurized.
Unpasteurized.
Genshu is undiluted.
Undiluted. So you can enjoy the actual flavor.
Right.
Yeah.
Fresh.
Fresh. Yeah.
Undiluted.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Strong.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is, this is hard to read.
Naotora.
Naotora. More like calligraphy style.
Right.
So
Beautiful.
often breweries often use that kind of like a calligraphy style. Even though the Japanese people, most people cannot read sometimes. Anyways, but yeah, so this is the name of this sake
Right.
or brand of this sake
Yeah.
usually. And what else? Maybe this one?
Seishu.
Seishu.
So this
Seishu.
word covers all the sake.
Okay. So basically, when you see the bottle of sake, important part you should recognize is 純米大吟醸, like this part, and maybe 生原酒, and yeah, that's it for the label.
From label.
From label,
So
but the
let's
back
go
of the
to
label.
back label.
Also the name of sake here. And 純米大吟醸, 生原酒.
This is a
Basically
category.
like the same thing you find on the back of the label, but usually, right? And seishu, and then percentage of alcohol.
This
No?
one is contents, right?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. 720 milli.
Oh, yeah. Here,
720 milli.
720 milliliters.
Volume.
Maybe you can guess, right? Because like 720 ml. And also percentage of alcohol. You have to put it on the label so you can find definitely. And usually, on the back label, it's easy to read, right? It's not like a calligraphic style. And then after that, 原材料名. So, ingredients. Like rice and koji and water.
Rice and
like
rice
those.
koji.
Yeah.
Normally, water is not.
Oh, So you don't
mentioned.
put that.
Yeah.
Okay. And which one?
Say
Oh yeah.
my buai.
Say my buai, which is
Portion ratio?
rice portion ratio. Okay, so this one is down to 45?
49%.
49%.
Yeah, it's the remaining part
Okay.
after polish off.
Yeah. We also made a video of that, right? Yeah.
Right. And the 製造年月日、production
Right.
date. This
Production
is
date.
normally the date. It's not the brewed. It's when sake is shipped.
Okay. Because when brewery brew sake, like press the sake, they often store in the big tank and then, ship it out in a year or so. And then
3 months, depending on what kind of sake.
So that time they put the stamp.
Yeah,
on.
there is a gap between the brewing date and the shipping date.
Okay. So on the back label, which one is most important to read?
What kind of category of sake? Either honjozo or either Jumai Dainjo. So you will know what kind of category this sake belongs to.
Yeah. Like maybe like a white wine or red wine,
category,
that kind of like a category. So you will find, and then percentage of alcohol maybe. Yeah. Okay. So we learned a lot of label, I think. But I know this is like overwhelming, lots of information. So you can come back to these videos when you come to Japan, and you can check when you go to the store, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's a lot of great information. Arigatou, Kaori-san.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
I think I know that.
Yeah.
That's gonna be the fifth reason why. Because they use koji.
Yeah, because of magic of koji.